Never seen a car this clean in my life, Lyle. Holy moly. Hey guys, Mike here. We're just in Red Deer for Todd's auction. Ooh, look at this, 2 pink cars in Lyle's garage. I just figured we'd come and get an update on the pink Charger. Lyle, how's it going, buddy? Good to see you. Holy man, there's a reason this car is here, guys. You see this floor? You see how clean this place is? Ooh, look at those rims. Wow. He's come a long way, baby. Wow. Yeah, let's look underneath first. Polyglass. Ooh. There's one sick car, eh, Lyle?
Yeah, it's looking good.
Wow. So you call automotive art. Brought to you by Mother Mopar. Wow. Yeah, I just got, you ever deal with Dante's Mopar?
Yeah.
I just got these, 3D printed the back ones for the 70 RT.
Oh, nice.
Right, you know the ones that come here on the,
Yeah.
yeah, so anyway, they laser print them, or 3D print them
Yeah.
off an NOS set.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, okay, Lyle, give us a tour, buddy.
Well, the other side is, I'm still waiting for Mike to get me a transmission.
Well, the one I got and I paid a load for, Todd said, wow, I've actually never been under this car. Holy moly, eh?
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Wow.
Yeah, she's pretty clean.
Okay, guys, if you want to know how to spend way too much money, end up with a car that looks this good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so all the brake lines are on. Fuel
Look at this. Oh, look at all this. There's your e-brakes, diff. Oh, look, the little marks. Look at that, the little marks. Wow.
Yeah.
Never seen a car this clean in my life, Lyle. Holy moly.
All from there's done.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Like, wow. Look at those brake lines. All the suspension. And like I said, the difference between me and Lyle is he has ATD, attention to detail, and I have ADD, attention deficit disorder. Ooh, look at those. Look at those, eh?
I just put this on today.
Wow. This thing's gonna be... Okay, guys, start saving up your pennies. It could be going to Kissimmee in Florida, January 2026. Yeah, I was talking to Todd. He said he could, you know, like he deals with those guys too, so...
Yeah, there.
He says that whole auction thing is a... Oh, look at... the Pink Panther. Was that off of JJ? Did we get that?
Yeah.
JJ, you were one sick puppy, man. Wow. Yeah.
That's the only way to keep them flat.
Yeah. Well, yeah, otherwise they'll bend.
Yeah.
Things amazing. Yeah, you know, Lyle, I'm never even gonna sit in this car, not once. Okay, guys, you hear that? I'm not gonna sit in this car. We're not gonna fire it up. Look at that expansive hood. This was a hood pin car, eh?
Yeah, I just put them on just the other day.
Oh, look at that, eh, guys? Wow.
Yeah, I had to drill holes in your nice shiny paint.
Oh, God, say it.
Yeah.
Look at that front end, eh? Wow. Whew. See, guys, and for those purists, we didn't paint the fender tag. So there you go. Every other square inch on this car is painted, polished, but not the fender tag. Oh, look at that air cleaner. Woo, baby. Man. This thing's pretty. I can't, wow. I can't believe I actually own this. Wow. That is stunning.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
It is.
Gorgeous car.
Chrysler knew what they were doing, eh?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Here, I'll let you touch it. I don't even want to touch it, Lyle. I'm going to get greasy fingerprints on it. Oh, look at this, eh? Wow. Nice upholstery. These are the seats that Corey brought you?
Yeah.
Hey, just beautiful. Wow. Look at the door panels, eh? You know, those are just
You know, that's gorgeous, eh?
It is. You need this car, Lyle. This is amazing. Look at that, eh? All the anodizing on the strikers. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain something. Like when Blair's always said, love the way those doors close, eh? Look at that, eh? Just, it's a crash rubbers. Like Blair says, normally it takes 250 hours to put a car together. When you're putting it together like this, that's just the start.
Yeah.
There's just so much attention to detail and diddling around. That's the difference between a driver and a car that's a show car. I mean, I'll probably spend more time on the trunk than we spend on body work on some of my cars. Polyglass.
Yeah.
Wow, just beautiful.
Yeah.
Right, stickers, jack instructions. Anyway, this is sick.
Looking really good.
There we go. We got the RT on the back.
Yeah. Well detailed.
Amazing, man.
Yeah.
This is. Look, I mean, this car should never even see sunshine. You know what I mean? It should just stuck in a shop and somebody could look at it. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. You're doing one hell of a job, Lyle, man. I really appreciate it. This is sick.
Yeah. Got the back window put in.
Yeah, look at that, eh?
Got the trim. I just gotta get it.
Yeah.
You don't want to. I want to take a holiday before I start smashing.
That's right, that's right. You're heading south for what, 2 weeks, a month?
Month.
Oh, must be nice.
Well, down to Phoenix for a couple of weeks, and then to Portland swap meet, and then up to Mike's auction.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a month away.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that, eh? Wow. Those door panels are amazing, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and then just everything's, everything's so tight on it.
It's like a brand new car, except 55 years old.
Yeah. Yeah, and then the Pink Panther.
Yeah, just hanging out.
Yeah.
JJ, he makes me that, man. Little over the top, that man, but that's cool. Anyway, yeah, this thing looks amazing, Lyle.
Yeah. It's turning out good.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah, now I'm working on the dash right now.
All right, let's have a look at the Dash Master. Wow, eh?
New wiring harness in.
So this is like a factory wiring harness, but brand new, yep.
Yeah, brand new.
Is that from
Classic Industries.
Classic Industries, yeah. Look at that, eh? Wow. Is that console good enough, or did we?
It will be when it's done. I
Okay.
got the different plates.
Okay, yep.
All the different
All right, yeah.
So they just got to be cleaned and detailed,
Yep.
and then I got the new, all the new stencils. There's
All right,
stencils
yeah, because it's all wood grain.
All wood grain.
They didn't make it easy to refurbish them, eh?
No.
No, it just, that's a problem with Dodges. But I mean, the end product, I mean, that car is just stunning.
Yeah.
Wow.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. I like it a lot.
Yeah, there's not too many parts left. Like you look on the part shelves, there's it's getting thin.
Oh, there's still, did you look at that list? There's still a few things outstanding, but not many.
Exhaust tips, just a few
Yep.
things.
Okay, yep.
Major, but yeah, a few.
Okay, well, I'm going to
there.
tell Todd. He said he'd find me a core because I've tried twice now. So I'm going to get Todd and say, just build him one. And then,
Yeah.
right? Well, tell him he's got a month.
Yeah, and the heater core's all detailed.
Yep.
I'm just waiting. I got the new AC condenser.
Yep.
I'm just waiting for the heater core. I made it all the way to Great Falls on FedEx, and then they turned around and shipped it all back because they didn't like the way it was written or something. And so there's the AC. What was it? AC Auto? Yeah, AC Auto is supplying all the heater cores and stuff
Okay.
like that. And so they had to put it back on FedEx, and it'll be here on Monday.
Okay. Yeah, but you won't be
I
here.
won't, well,
Yep.
our host sitter will be here.
Okay.
So, but
Wow, man. This Panther Pink. It's hard to describe. Hey, Lyle.
yeah, yeah,
Imagine going to the lot and buying one of these brand new. Hey, just you don't want a pink one. But when you actually run the numbers, it was 0.002%.
of them.
right? So for every 1,000, they made 2 pink ones because it was 99 pink out of 49,000.
Yeah.
So that's, yep.
Pretty cool.
And I got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Lucky me. JJ had 6 of them. Hard to comprehend. Wow, that is just stunning. Anyway, guys, that's the update. I mean, those tires, those rims. The other pink one, guys, we're going to rat rod the crap out of. So all you purists can admire this one because what we do to that 318 car is not going to be pure. No, it might be called the sin in the Mopar world. There might even be some Chevy calipers up front. Well, if I can talk to my buddies at Speed Tech, they do C7 stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
Nice.
yeah, big brakes, like 17-inch rotors or 14, whatever they do. But
So you need to sell this to fund the.
that's right. Well, the next one's going to be Pro Touring, yes. I can't believe that front end. That is just wild.
Isn't that gorgeous?
It is. There you go, guys. 1970 FM3 RT Charger, one of 28 ever made in FM3 Panther Pink. Very cool. Thanks again, Lyle. You're doing an amazing job, buddy. Well, guys, it was 3,500 hard K. But we're here early. EG auction, spring auction. Certainly doesn't look like spring out there, but we're here early. Oh, there's the main auction place. Let's just do a quick tour. Ooh, we come to judge, baby. What else do we have here? That's nice. Ooh. Tell me it's a 4-speed car. What do we got? What do we got? Automatic. Oh, disappointment. Oh, what else we got here? Ooh, Zed. It's 1969 Zed. Could be a real one. Who knows? Ooh, it's got the stick. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. SS. 450. What is that? 396. Could be a 70. Yep, 70. Basically, this is what my car's gonna look like. Almost same blue, but not quite. It's got the stripes, very nice. Here's another 70 SS. This one, that one's not a cowl. Might not be an SS. This one's got the cowl, it's got the pins. And it says 454, there we go. Ooh, automatic, turbo 400, convertible, ooh, baby. Oh, let's not neglect our Ford buddies. Check this out. Nice. Gonna be some cool stuff here. Oh, look at this, 68. Plymouth Satellite. Split bench, column shift automatic, probably a 318 car. It's got all the chrome. It's got a Roadrunner grille. Let's see, what does it say here? RH, yeah, Plymouth Satellite. Almost looks like Survivor paint, hard to say. Nice body. If I say you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? 493. I don't think Chrysler ever made one of those. It's got to be a board and stroke 440. Check that out. Sublime green. Ooh baby, 1970. Cuda 440. Yeah, baby. Whew. Oh, we got here early enough that nobody's bugging us. Here goes another Mach 1 Mustang. There's some cool stuff here, guys. I drove 3,500 to get here. You guys should come and check out Todd's auction. But for you bike aficionados, we have some bikes. I'm not much up on bikes. They look dangerous, but there's some nice bikes. Okay, what else do we got here? Hey Toyota, you're terrific. Little Mustang. Z28 Camaro. Looks pretty bone stock. These cars have gone way up in value lately, especially nice Survivors. That looks like original wear on this thing. The seats, somebody took care of it. It's starting to come undone, but Probably never been touched. Might have one repaint. Anyway, nice looking car. You guys are almost out of time. You better hurry up. Nothing but time. How's it going?
Good.
Fuck, 3,500K. How do I look? Drove from Toronto for this. Look at this. Nice. Nice. Chrysler had some funky colors. That's beautiful. What is it? What does it say here? That's the one, BS23. We got a 340 Cuda. Beautiful. Oh, for you truck guys. Sad, Todd's got it all, man. We got Chevys, we got Dodges, we got Fords. We got stuff. Come on down, collector car auction. Starts tomorrow, Friday and Saturday. Bring lots of money. Oh, look at the nice patina on this thing. Beauty. Somebody spent a lot of time making it look old. Or maybe it did look like that and they just cleared it. Nice, custom 10. Beautiful. All sorts of stuff, guys. Oh, there's a project.